But why is financial literacy so important? Well, think of it as the foundation of your financial house. Without a strong foundation, the house is likely to crumble. Similarly, without financial literacy, we're more likely to make poor financial decisions, fall into debt, and struggle to achieve our financial goals. Financial literacy empowers us to take control of our money instead of letting it control us. It reduces financial vulnerability and fosters economic stability and prosperity, not just for us as individuals, but also for society as a whole. Remember, financial literacy is not just about making more money. It's about understanding how money works and using that knowledge to make the best financial decisions for our unique circumstances and goals. In a world where financial decisions can have significant impacts on our lives, it's crucial to be financially literate. Whether you're starting your first job, thinking about buying a house, or planning for retirement, financial literacy can help ensure you're making the best decisions for your financial future. So let's embark on this journey together, because a high level of financial literacy is crucial for achieving financial stability, security, and independence.